Hello everyone, Mrs. Gershon here. Our list this week is going to go back to one of the skills that we were working on a little bit earlier in the year, prefixes. You're probably going to notice that our words are a little bit more challenging, and we'll be working with some different prefixes as well as looking at base words that the prefixes are added to. This all of the prefixes that are added to the base words actually change the base words to a negative meaning, or the opposite of what the base word means. So we're going to go through each of those after we read our word list. So let's go ahead and start. In our first column, we have the word uneasy, misspell, disbelief, infrequent, undress, misleading, disease, insane. Second column, insincere, unaware, misfortune, disorder, inhuman, unfasten, mischief, disrespect. Our last column, dishonest, informal, unknown, mistake, disconnect, inexpensive, untidy, and discourage. So for our first prefix, we have the prefix in. Now, looking at some of those words, in actually changes the base word to mean the opposite, meaning not. So when I'm coming down here in our first column and I see infrequent, frequent means something that happens a lot, so infrequent would mean that it's not happening a lot. Insane, sane meaning that you're thinking correctly, you're thinking straight. Insane meaning you're not thinking correctly, you're thinking straight. We have insincere, meaning that you're not sincere or you're not genuine in what you're saying or doing. Inhuman, meaning the way that humans normally act. You might be acting, or somebody might be acting in a not human way. And looking through the rest of our words, you can find the other in words. Our next prefix is un. This also means not or opposite of. So when un is added to a base word, it's meaning not or opposite of. So for instance, our bold word, uneasy, something that is not easy to do. Then down you have undress, so opposite of getting dressed. Unaware, noticing what's going on around you. Unaware would mean you would not be noticing. Unfasten, fasten meaning that you're putting something together, like you're fastening your button. So unfasten would mean to not be fastening your button. And then you folks can find the rest of your un words. I did want to point out in our third column, tidy. Tidy, the base word means clean, so untidy would be not clean. Dis is also the same thing when dis is added to the beginning of a base word, meaning not or opposite of. So here in the word dishonest, you are not being honest. First column, disbelief. Belief meaning that you think something is true, so disbelief was not thinking something is true. Disease is an interesting word because you have the base word ease here. So disease would be meaning that something was not at ease, kind of like your body when you're sick. It's not at ease. Then you have disorder, not having order, disrespect, not having respect, and then you folks can find the rest of the dis words. And our last prefix this week is miss. Miss meaning bad or badly. So to misspell something, you're spelling something badly. Notice that misspell, the word spell has an S, so you're actually having two S's in that word, misspell. Misleading means you're leading somebody in a bad direction. Misfortune, fortune meaning luck. Misfortune meaning not having good luck or having bad luck. Mischief, that's another tricky word. You have the base word chief there. Mischief is meaning maybe something opposite of what a leader would do. And then you can find the other miswords. That is it for this week. If you folks have any questions about any of the meanings of the words or the base words, please see me or raise your hand and I can come and help you out. You can go ahead and start cutting your words, and happy sorting.